What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just takes a second. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at using CCleaner to remove temporary files on your Windows PC. CCleaner is a powerful PC cleanup utility that has a paid and free version. A good portion of the features are available for free, including removing temporary files. If for some reason the built-in disk cleanup tool is not working correctly or does not remove temporary files on your PC, use these steps. I went to the vendor site, ccleaner.com/ccleaner/downloaded and acquired the installer. Let's run the installer. Click yes for the UAC prompt. Install. Yes again. Continue. We'll choose light mode. We will decline the AVG free antivirus. Continue with free. We'll click start scan. Cancel closing browsers. On the left-hand side, we'll click Custom Clean. Unselect all. Navigate to System. And then check Temporary Files. Click Scan Now. Clean and fix. If there's a message that shows close all browsers, go ahead and close. It's a good idea because temporary files are located in the browser cache. After completion, you should see a summary screen with how much disk space was cleaned up. Thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful cleaning up disk space on your PC. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja Fix it.